Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will use PowerPoint's built-in Speak command. It works only in the desktop app on Windows. First, open your file and select the text box you want read aloud. Make sure your text is plain text and not inside group shapes. Once done, we'll add Speak to the Quick Access toolbar so you can trigger it quickly. This step gets you into the action immediately. Don't waste time toggling unrelated settings. Start with a slide that contains the exact text you want narrated. Now add Speak. Click the down arrow on the Quick Access toolbar, choose More Commands, change the drop-down to All Commands, then add Speak. Once the Speak icon is visible, select the text on any slide and click Speak to start reading. You can pause and resume by clicking the icon again. It reads text in selection order. Make sure your system volume and default Windows voice are correct. This controls tone and speed. After testing, you'll know whether to split long text boxes or keep them short for clarity. Finish by running through the entire slide deck. Select each text box and click Speak to confirm correct order and pacing. If you want narration saved as audio file, Record via Slide show right arrow record and export as media because Speak does not export audio. If Speak produces no sound, make sure your audio device is default. Windows speech language matches text language, and Office updates are installed. Finally, save a copy before large edits so you can recover if formatting shifts or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.